Hi everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. This is Chaitanya. Today's topic is Solid Tools in Sketchup. So open the software, go to View, Toolbars, select Solid Tools, activate, close. Take rectangle, draw two rectangles or two elements, give some thickness using push-pull, make group, okay, then merge. First one is outer shell. So to group the elements, select first element, second element. Second one, intersect. So select intersect, first one, second one. It shows only the intersect part. Next, union. Outer shell and union both are same. Select union, first unit, second unit to make group. Next, subtract. It means to create openings. Select subtract, first one, second one. In second object, some part will be deleted and it create openings. Next, trim. First one, second one. Select individual component and move. The intersect part will be trimmed. Next, split. First one, second one. Select, move. All the parts will be split individually. Thank you for watching this video.